Okay, so I'm installing the Bilstein 5160 shocks on a Lexus GX 470. So it'll be the same thing on a 4Runner, Tacoma, FJ Cruiser, all those Toyotas. So what you'll find is if you install the top piece first, you'll have a hard time lining up the bolt on the bottom. So I'm going to show you a technique of how to do that. So you get it on the bottom bolt lined up first, and you'll see it's a little misaligned at the top. So let's see. All right. So you just want to grab the shock, compress it all the way down. That'll give you enough room to align it. And there you go. Now it's in and all aligned. Of course, you want to make sure your washer and your bushing are on there first.